In forensic lab, a luminic chemical is found. When this chemical is mixed with any one of the chemical, due to the chemical reaction, a light is produced. Luminic chemical is also used in paints, plastic, iron, marbles. A unique light is produced, which you can see. When we mix the chemical with normal object, it looks very amazing. Second fact, we know about Rolls-Royce company, a big brand in our world. It used to manufacture 4,170 cars in 1 year. The cheapest car in Rolls-Royce is 5 crores. If you want to buy a Rolls-Royce, we must have the pride rich prestige. It is not a fact. Due to the lockdown, the Rolls-Royce is selling honey. What an amazing fact now. Third fact, in our life we have seen different computer. From computer, laptop has been developed, but you have not seen this type of computer anywhere. In 1936, Russian developed this computer. We have seen computers working with electricity and solar system, but this computer will work with the help of water. Fourth fact, in our world many inventions are developed in one single day. You have not seen this type of phone anywhere. You can see this picture. It is in X shape. It is the smartphone. This company developed only 3 phones. This company high officer rejected this phone and tagged it with the useless inventions of all time. That's why we have not seen this phone in market. Fifth fact, can you tell the Thailand national book? It is very familiar. We have read this book in our schools. That story is told by our grandparents and our parents. If anyone asks this question, we will not answer. We used to celebrate a day. This book name is Ramayana. Ramuki is called in Thailand. Sixth fact, if you want to construct a small house, it takes up to 30 to 60 days to construct a new house in very fast manner. But in future, it takes only 3 to 4 days. In Australia, a company named FDR developed a constructing robot. Its name is Edenex. This robot can construct any type of house in a very fast manner in a short time. In India, we use brick cement. If we use this robot, it takes up to 6 to 7 days. Seventh fact, in our life we have seen different mimicry person. After seeing their mimicry, we feel very excited. If you have seen a bird which is doing mimicry, this bird name is lyre. It is only found in Australia. If you play any sound, this bird will be mimicry exactly which you have played. Eighth fact, if you want to buy anything, you see the quality and the beauty. You only keep the 2 things in your mind when you buy the things. But this woman had bought non-visible painting art in 2007, a board without a painting. She bought by paying $10,000. It is almost 7 lakhs in Indian rupees. The crazy woman for buying the non-visible painting art. From this incident, the painters will get the inspiration for painting the non-visible paints throughout the world, and the peoples will buy like this woman. Ninth fact, it is the world's biggest telephone. In Netherlands, it was built in 1918. Its height is 8 feet and its weight is 3.5 tons. It is working till now, but the mystery is that how it is working, they did not know. I think it is difficult to talk secret words in this telephone. 10th fact, we have seen different types of drone flying in the sky, but you have seen this type of drone anywhere? Its name is Nano drone. It is very small, but it will capture the high quality photos and videos. It is only used for the secret operation and the security purpose by the government. It will not sell in the market. Why? Because due to the misbehaving by the thieves and the terrorists of nano drones. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like any facts, please comment in the box.